Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Ford Kalami Cebu Food Trip Road Trip. So a couple of months ago, I went to a food trip road trip with a Ford Ranger Raptor, and I took it to different places like Busay, Liloan, and Lapu-Lapu City. This time though, I have a different vehicle. It's the Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x2, and on this video, we are going to the town of Balamban, because a month ago, it was really stricter pa. This time, with lesser restriction, I was able to go further with a Ford Ranger Wildtrak, and I'm taking it to Balamban, to one of the best, campsites, ecotourism sites in Cebu, new ecotourism sites in Cebu called Evo Nature Camp. So, if you want to see my adventure with a Ford Ranger Wildtrak, watch this video. So, hello guys, welcome to this drive. We just entered Balamban, the town of Balamban, the western side of Cebu. This is the town that borders Cebu on the west, Cebu City, I mean. Even if I was just using a 4x2, the travel was pretty effortless. Traffic was light, and even if it's an incline, it's in the mountains, there were no issues when it comes to the Ford Ranger 4x2. So it was so easy, it was quite fast, the handling was so good, and it was really an enjoyable ride because I was with my friends as well. So now, here is our adventure there at Evo Nature Camp, because, we had really an awesome time there eating and really taking pictures. Ford is just parked in this one foggy place. We're actually here in Balamban, and this is what you call the Evo Nature Camp. Nibalik na sad ko dire since the opening. Oh, mane. Whoa, foggy kayo ron. Mao ni ang one of the best camping spots diri sa Cebu. This is in Balamban. You can actually go to the center of Cebu here. Mana, so hi Sir Edwin, nibalik na sa ko dire. Sa i-temperature check sa taon ha. Alright, dayon paghuman kinahanglan ta mo rehistro. Oh, diba? By the way, mao na ilang rates ron. Entrance is 75, glamping. Unsa man 5,000 sa glamping weekends. Camping, nasa tay camping. Unsa kami rin maghimog tent rental ni no? Nani tent rental. Yes, oh, nice. Dayon, gazebo is 100, trekking is 25. Manay guide na no? Yes. Okay, so manay lang rates karon. Kung ganahan mo reserve or mo inquire, na lang pwede mo follow na mo Facebook, di ba? Yes. I-follow lang sila sa Facebook nila. So, manay lang new normal dire. So, stick to sila sa physical distancing, hand hygiene, mask, temperature check. Actually, disinfection sa shoes. Pila na may pwede mo suod per batch normally para to prevent overcrowding. 150 rin lang pasulod na tanawa. Foggy kay bay. Nice kayo. So mana musuwan sa kusakungan. Nay mga pagkaon sa diri. So mana ni ilang menu ron. Okay na din yung menu ron, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ipakita na ko Sir Edwin. Okay. Bud diri bay. Unsa ni budbud lagi ni? Budbud ni, ala na mo si Kuwate.
Naa, sir.
Wala na ba perfect kay ni. So mana. So unsa may malami diri miss?
Mostly na mo diri, sir, barbecue gyud ang among pinakakusog nga halin.
Barbecue gyud, lami gyud.
Sir.
Ay na to Sir Edwin, lami gyud kayo. So next unsa imo order ta mag-lunch ta? So nasa chili silog diri bay.
Yes.
Barbecue.
Barbecue na tay barbecue set. Sulit na siya ma'am.
Ground zero by the way, so nag-trekking sila. So kumusta may experience, ma'am, sir? Tagam na?
Kapit mamatay.
So doon, mag-glamping na lang kuno sila. So ato sila sa tent, mamahuway. Pwede by the way. Pero nalipay ra mo.
Oh, lingaw kayo nito ang view.
So wa mo nasama da? Oo.
Wala siyara gamay.
Wala, pero may na lang nag-uwan no, na timing pa wa pa.
Mo siya na mag-iwat.
So taga-diin man mo, sir?
Nakulap.
So niabot mo diri wrestling mga Q-pass. Pero okay, pero by the way, okay na pwede mo lusot diri sa Balamban by the way.
river dito. Creek lang.
Creek. So dahil ground zero dito nes na mao ko na yung center of Cebu, mao na ilang ingon sila ay nagbuot anak god pero yes, so pero naa dito nakaadto mo dito no. Oh, so yes. So inom sa mo. Oh, so mao na guys, pwede na mo mag-trekking by the way. Na mo guide na katultul gyud. Pero kung mo mag-overnight, pwede gyud mo magkuan lang, nasa tent for rent with inflatable na ko ano, katre. O plus na pa glamping, ganun mo social, 4,000 kung weekdays o 5,000 kung weekends. Plus na pagkaon. So na pagkaon sa gabi mes na ni.
Yes, sir.
Hantod unsang oras?
Alas 8 lang, sir.
Okay po. We'll explore lang sa Evo. May mga gazebo diri actually pwede 100 ang rent. Pero sige mag-suri-suri sa mi. Yes, this is the Evo Nature Camp, guys. O karon pa ko kabalik since it opened kay nag-quarantine na. Supposed to be nagplano mi na mag-camping. Pero wala na dayon, but kanina nag-fog ni dire. But it's fun. Good, dire. So na yung mga tanom dire na pwede magpa-picture. And here are mga gazebos o kana himuti ng glamping nila na tents. So mga na. So muna mag-asa mi dire, muna mag-wa mo sa Cebu. Kita mo ana. O dira mo mag-standby, matug. With your friends. Naniliguanan imong glamping bay? Oh, na shower room. Oh. So unsa ni aircon unsa man ni?
Aircon na siya, sir.
Aircon, no. Mana aircon nilang glamping. Yeah, unsa man ni diri bay?
May reception mo sir.
Reception for the glamping. Oh.
Camping. Ano po dito ang reception camping?
So, muna. So awesome kay bay. So ganun lagi kung balik diri pohon, kanang yung mag-overnight ta. Muna. Yes, this is Evo Nature Camp, guys. So dara chill ra kay na hammock oh. Oh, so kung yan na weather, especially perfect good kaayo. Oh, labi na mga padung na maminyo. Oh, date mo dire. Picture mo dire. Pwede ra sad. Or pareho mo atong ganina ng mga tao na nag-trekking. Oh, mga 3 to 4 hours.
Ay, kaning gidubo sa isang step.
Oh, kina anta, glamping, 4,000 good.
Okay naman kay mag-trekking pagkabuntag.
Sa akong layo nag-fog na. Murag wa mi sa Cebu. Nami sa Cebu nga. Pero yes, na-actually mi sa Balamban sa Gaas.
Minahal mo ako
Wala. So sinesti na si mensahe sa mga kuan niya. Unsa niyang bahala na unsa pina si himo na tong pinakuan lugar na Sagitanan. Amo ninganlan ning lugar na Sagitanan. Namoy asan! Kito ra imong silingan.
Why you die?
We have the hotdog silog. We have this is the barbecue set. Ana. Napay chicken barbecue set. Then bod with mango shake. Goodbye. Na bod. Then mango shake, cucumber shake. Lunch me. Hindi ka magsilog diri by tanawa raw, silog by the mountains. So, imagine. Saan ka na? Kuha na. Bay, nag-uwa na bay, tanawa o, nanang fog diri, nananamo. Tanawa among shade mangka. Sabi uwan na kaayo. Pero kadugayan di madutlan mi pero tanawa ni agi ng uwan. Ni agi ng fog sa amoa. Pero nagyugit tip ko mo ari ka dere bay. Nang nakita ang Paris. Kay buuy kay ka o bugna ka makigakos kag apil. Tanawa. Paris. Ano speakers people? Paris. Paris. No. Dere, Paris. Ayos ang sitwasyon sa mga bay. Ang required rin nakika Paris. May pag dapat next ng evolution rin. Muna Evo, nasa evolution next. Nasa Paris for rent. Sir Edwin mo na ha. Ang tip, may Paris for rent. Or else, may magsigit-syagit dito niya. Walang forever. Daghan kayo maapektuhan. Maglagot, matrigger. Kay ano nagsigit-syagit kag walang forever. Okay, puro na ba Paris din eh. Abre na mo everyday?
Dili sir, mag-close naman day og Tuesday for disinfection na sir.
Yala yun. So kanang Wednesday to Sunday unsang orasa mo abre?
7 a.m. to 8 p.m.
So 8 PM pero kato mag overnight pwede man di ba? Pwede na.
Yes sir, pwede rin sir.
Okay, so mana. So imbitahan sila asa kining Evo Nature Camp.
Evo Nature Camp located at Gaas, Balamban, Cebu, 2 kilometers from the boundary of Balamban and Cebu.
Alright. Paborito actually sa mga bikers nindot kay view, nasa pagkaon. Dayon of course, dahan kay picture taking area bay. So puhon pag yun, mas munindot pa ni ka naman nubo na ni mga pine tree nila.
Yes sir.
Guban pa pero nagkaroon na sila makuan, na sila finally na sila glamping area. Kung ganahan mo ka ng aircon inyong tent. Pero pwede na mo mag-camping sa dili na sila tent and inflatable beds for rent. O ganahan mo at Ground Zero, which is the center of Cebu, nasa sila trekking services dire. Na pwede kayo na pa yung mga free usage of board games sa gabi. Nasa sila souvenir shops kung ganahan mo. Of course, ang mga bata nasa sila playground by the way. So, check them out. Gaas Balamban na, ay Kalimte, Evo Nature Camp. So, thank you so much for joining me in this Ford Kalami Cebu food trip road trip featuring Evo Nature Camp in Gaas Balamban. So, yes, all in all, it was really an awesome adventure. Maybe I'll be back soon, still with probably a different Ford model, and probably we'll go camping, go trekking, or do some more activities, or go further, go towards the coastal areas of Balamban, and probably have some liempo there in the market. But all in all, yes, I really enjoyed having a road trip using the Ford Ranger Wildtrak, and I can go to places with it. The suspension, compared to the Raptor, yes, the suspension is a bit stiffer, but it's once you put load, probably if you're gonna go shopping for vegetables in the area, probably you realize that yes, it would really handle bigger loads, especially for those people who are really buying a lot of stuff there, plants, fruits. Having a pickup would be perfect for that. And the Ford Ranger Wildtrak is just an awesome vehicle for for going up to the mountains of Cebu, and also even for city driving. And if you wanna have a test drive, you can visit Ford Cebu, by the way, at the Bell Hills, Laho, guys. They're finally open with their new normal protocol. So check them out. Check out the new models, and thank you so much for joining me on this food trip, road trip. And if you haven't liked Ford Philippines, please like to get new updates for their new amazing promos, by the way, especially these months. And also, Evo Nature Camp, like that page. Also, this is one of the pretty awesome ecotourism spots in Cebu right now, in Balamban. And finally, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And see you on our next adventures, guys. I'm really looking forward to it. Bye!